DJI Mavic 3 Pro, Spotlight POI Mode. Got that coming up next. Bill Jr. here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. DJI Mavic 3 Pro is fast becoming one of my favorite drones. The DJI Air 3 has some excellent competition. Today we went ahead and took it up for Spotlight POI mode. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. We're going to take the DJI Mavic 3 Pro up here for its second flight. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started. We have 23 satellites. We have 60% battery here. And screen recording is underway. Let's go ahead and move that over here. Like I like to do. Okay. Let's go ahead and take off here. We're going to start, we're at 4K 60. Let's go ahead and change that to 4K 30. Okay, we were at 4K 30. Let's go ahead and get that started. All right, and let's go ahead and take off. Okay, let's get it up to about 100 feet here. About 120. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. And go ahead and fly forward a little bit. Okay, now. Wrong stick there, Bill. Alright. 120. Let's go ahead and move it up here a little bit. Alright, we're going to adjust the aircraft here. Back things up. It is a picture perfect day today. Low 70s, nice, no humidity, just absolutely perfect. And we're going to stop the recording here. Let's get the options up here. Alright. Let's go ahead and do spotlight. Okay, let's try that again. Do spotlight. POI. Hit record. And hit start. Absolutely love this feature. Move in a little bit, a little closer. I like the speed with which this does Spotlight POI. It really, that way you have a chance to take a look at all the details. Now remember, one of the things with Spotlight POI, you do need to turn the camera on manually. There is no automatically turning the camera on with the feature. And this is taking a very nice circle of the clubhouse area in the pool. Really could not ask for better weather here. It's the oppressive humidity will come, but it's not here yet, and we're very, very thankful for that. Take a look at the side of the clubhouse here, and you start to see the pool. It's a wonderful amenity we have this clubhouse. There's a wonderful workout facility there, ping pong tables there, they have pool tables, a billiard room, a card room, they have a crafts room there. There is a big social hall there where we have some cover bands come in for concerts. We have a nice on-site restaurant they call the Bistro here. Serves fantastic food. It's open Tuesday through Sunday with great service. You can sit inside or outside by the pool. It's just we have some incredible amenities here, and that is just an absolutely fantastic pool. There's a lap pool there. There's a the sloped entrance near where the restaurant is. When Ellie came down here with my daughter and my son-in-law, it was very easy for her to get in the pool that way. It's just wonderful. She loves it, and she can hardly wait to come back. So we're anxious to get them back sometime. Now we're taking a look at things from the back end of the clubhouse. We could see the pool completely. There's also a hot tub there too. It's very nice. Several cabanas there, because the sun does get, at certain points in the day, it gets really, really hot. UV index is really up there, so you got to be careful not to be out here too long without sunscreen. Okay, this is from the back of the clubhouse. It just looks absolutely fantastic. Now, when we're going to finish Spotlight mode, again, we need to go ahead and stop that manually. It does not stop it by itself, so this would keep going until I ran out of battery. But again, like I said, I like doing these slowly because that way you can appreciate and see all the detail of the shot that you're getting. And we're coming up on one full circle here. I'm going to stop it here in a minute. Again, we're recording in 4K 30. And that's what I record most of the time in anyway. Almost there. We'll go ahead and stop that. X out of there. And we're going to go ahead and return to home.
Go home.
Let's see how we do with this landing here. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good here. All right, picture perfect landing. That was a excellent test of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Spotlight POI Mode. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Spotlight POI Mode? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.